Hours after H.M. Shampliang resigned from the BJP, the state party president Ernest Mauri refuted the allegations of nepotism within the party levelled by Shampliang and instead blamed the former party leader of seeking favour in appointment of office bearers in the Mausan Ram Mandal. Asked if political leaders jumping ships if in their own whims and fancies is justified, Mauri stated that the BJP has faced similar situation in the past and has taken up the issue with the core committee.
We in BJP, we never practice this nepotism. We have a proof. Right in the state office bearer, we have different name, different title. When we denotified the mandal at Mausunram and restored the new mandal on request of Shampliang, we have appointed his own brother, Mr. Rudy M. Shampliang, as the mandal president. Will he give a statement that is a nepotism? That is example. So this charge is we cannot accept, is useless and baseless.
Meanwhile, former Mausan